Yes, welcome again to my beat. Yeah, it's my tutorial to my channel. Yeah, my name is Joe Fox Atizi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a kizomba instrument. Yeah, so the first things I just played is this one, harp guitar from Expand. You know, yeah. So uh, I just play simple and it sounds like this one. Simple like this one. So after that, I just add chord by playing the piano, first impression, but I just mute piano and FM piano just to get some vox and a pad. So it sounds like this one. Simple like this one. So after that, I play this one from side, from Love It. It's called Cheap Lady. I just arrange something crazy. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah, so as you see here, I just play a little bit with my velocity here. Yeah, that is a good thing. After that, I just add this one. It is bass from Nexus 2. Yeah, a little bit. So it sounds like this one. I just play it simple. So after that, I play also Love It again, but I just play the Strat Queen Autowa. It is from a guitar and a plucked. Yeah, so preset, and this is category. It is called EG Strat Queen Autowa. So simple. I just played the play for the first time, but it give another sound. Yeah, so after that I just play also Nexus FM piano. Play like this one. Let's follow my chord progression. Yeah, after that I finish my FL key, and this I play loads. So sound like this one. Yeah. After that, it jump to my kick. My kick sound like this. Just I arrange it for 4. After that, I just play this one. No. My snare. Yeah, stick hit. Can say that. Yeah, Zouk style. After that, I play also another. Yeah. After that, I play conga. The first conga. Also, I play a low conga. Yeah. Yeah, so that is my things on this beat. So I just make zouk, but I just play it simple. Yeah, so let hear my drums first. That is the good things. So let us start from here. So it sounds like this one. Yeah, that is my drums. So let's go. Fox. Yeah, okay, so not bad. So it is time. I can give you time to hear. So from the intro, my intro sound like this one. So yeah. Yeah, so the artist can sing from here. Here it is a verse. Yeah, after verse, then hook, then chorus. Chorus is started from here. Here also. Yeah, so that is how I prepared for today, guys. So thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Jeff Fox, and thanks for watching.